that's how I know it's wrong. And she said, so division is just like multiplication, but backwards? My daughter was, she's doing division in math now. So if you have a kid who's going through math, I will also pray with you. So she's getting into division in math, and she's at this point she's just not getting it. Absolutely not getting it. And my brain works completely different because the math that I did financial math. So I'm thinking like, oh, like count back the money. It cost $13. You gave me a 20. I'm gonna count 2 more. Now we're at 15. Here's a 5. There's your 20. We're good to go. And anyway, I'm correcting her homework, and this problem is just wrong. And I look at her and I'm like, no, sweetie, like this one's wrong. And she goes, why? I have no idea how her teacher taught her to do this math. If you're with me, so I look at and I'm like, I have no idea. But I'm going to tell you why I know it's wrong. I said, take your solution times it by this number, and does it equal that? And she goes, well, that's not division, that's multiplication. I'm like, I know, just do it. Like, take the solution, multiply it by this number, and does it equal that number? She's like, okay. She does it, and she's like, no, like that's how I know it's wrong. And she said, so division is just like multiplication, but backwards? I said, yeah. She goes, so I had to learn multiplication to be able to do division. And I said, yeah. She's like, well, I'm really good at multiplication. I passed the test, so I can just use multiplication to do this division. And I said, yes, that's right. So you went through the trial of multiplication. You were faced with the test to prove your learning. Now future trials get easier. I was way more excited than she was, and way more excited than you guys are. But she finally clicked in her head. A test isn't because teachers want to make your life miserable. Right, she agreed. Is to make you more mature. See, the trial is to give you the knowledge. The test is to make sure that you can use it. Trials get easier when you get tested. The test is making sure that you know your stuff.